Luna, heel. Down. Alright, Briscoes, we're back with Luna, so I'm sure you've already watched the Mac video, and you were completely amazed because I'm amazed myself. So, anyway, there's still the little oodles of doodles over there. No oodles of schnoodles. But she's not as bad as him. She doesn't have the desire to really bite him as much as he does, and I have been running him with the whole pack, and she will kind of try to hide and stuff, but she's coming out of that, so she's, you know, they've got to learn how to have social skills. So we're just going to work over there, work around. I'm doing the same thing. We've got squirrels everywhere. There's got to be, these have got to be the tame. I'm going to have to bring Daniel back here because he's just amazed by squirrels. I told him they're considered vermin around here. All right, so same thing. I'm going to use my pager. Luna, good, heel. All right, let's go. Heel. I'm not going to micro-correct or restrain her. Heel. If she does decide to go out to the end of the leash, I'm going to hit the knee. Heel. Anyway, just happenstance. That's Smokey's brother that we've run into. Heel. Oh, she's thinking about it. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Oh, somebody's getting all dirty. Down. No. Heel. 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 What, they have plastic bags there? They never have them with that other color. Heel. Down. Luna. Heel. Always going to move away that way. Good. Heel. Oh, we'll get that, you guys. Don't worry about it. They're babysitting Smokey. They're babysitting Smokey for us. Keep going a little bit farther. A little farther. You're getting warm now. Getting warm right there. Right to your left. These guys are awesome. They watch Smokey for us.
I'm so used to that, it's his brother, it's okay.
It's a big family reunion.
How much do you charge to train him?
Well, we could maybe figure something out for him. They're so cute together. Twin by twin, heel. You know those little salt and pepper shakers they have with them? That's those two. Good.
I'd like to get the younger, this dog with our number, and actually when she brings him down to the park, we'll be able to bring back something.
Well, I don't know, I don't think they had really taken him anywhere before because he was so wild. And you couldn't even walk. He would just tangle you all up in the leash. Or then he'd pull. So they never really took him many places. But, yeah, I don't know. I mean, you guys should meet. His name's Tom Ross. He's down in Edgewater. Yeah. You know, maybe you guys could work something out, like babysit each other if they went out of town or something. But they just get along so well. They don't seem to over-wrestle or anything.
No, I mean, they're just, every motion is just alike. I mean, you just mirror
They were sitting down there beside each other, and all of a sudden the dog barked and they both jumped instantly at the same time. You know, it's the same skittish jump. You know?
I know, and they're not over-wrestling each other. You know. Heel. What the hell? Heel. Heel. That's what we need, you guys. The expectation that we see the dog, you see the dog, and we don't do things like crazy barking. All right, so we start a little bit of the And I talked to Jason. Oh, I didn't talk to him, but I just emailed him, or he emailed me down. So I do think it would be a good idea. Good for him. I want you guys to come, if you can come Saturday morning. God, if you see this before next Saturday morning, I want you guys to come and do your internship Saturday morning if you can. Or even just, I don't know, Jessica, if Joshua has to work, maybe you could just come by yourself. Luna! So I'm lifting her heel, turning her. Heel, turning, Luna. Good. Good. Down. Pushing with the pager.